Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly. We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture. We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Hi there everyone. Well, I hope you've all had a fantastic week and are enjoying another great day of learning. I'd like to start by talking about our student free day that we had on Monday. While you all got to enjoy an extra day off, our teachers were hard at work here at school, writing your reports and preparing information to share with your families about all the learning growth that you've shown this semester. And our other staff are also taking part in professional learning and completing student assessments, helping us to continue make our school be the best it can be for all of our students. Today is our SRC Pajama Fundraiser Day, and it's wonderful to see so many students and staff dressed in their favourite PJs and comfy clothes. It's secretly my favourite day of the school year. A huge thank you to everyone who brought along a gold coin today to support the Pajama Foundation. It's always great to see our school community come together to support such a worthwhile cause, and we're looking forward to finding out just how much we've raised today. Next week, we have the last of our swimming programs for the 2026 year. Our Year 4 students will be participating in their swimming program. So we hope you have a fantastic time, Year 4, developing your swimming skills and building your confidence in the water and enjoying your experience with your classmates. We know you'll do a wonderful job representing our school. It's hard to believe, but we only have 1 week left of term 2. What a busy and successful term it's been. There's been so much learning, so many opportunities and lots of achievements to celebrate across our school this term. And to finish the term, we're going to come together for our end of term assembly next Friday morning in the gym. It'll be a great opportunity to celebrate the term, recognise some of the amazing things our students have accomplished, and head into the holidays feeling proud of everything we've achieved together. I hope you've got some fun things planned for the holidays. I know I do. I'll be lining up to see Toy Story 5 and singing along with Taylor Swift's new song for the movie. Maybe I'll see you there. For now, keep working hard, keep showing our school values, and keep being kind and respectful to those around you. Have a fantastic weekend everyone. I will see you all next week.
Hi, this is Jaiko and Sarunjan with next week's expectations. Next week we are focusing on I report or call out disrespectful behavior. You can do this by telling an adult when someone is being unsafe or disrespectful, reporting bullying, teasing, or unsafe behaviors. Make sure you follow these expectations in the yard and in your classroom. Bye.
Hi and welcome to this week's Student Talk. I'm Matab and this is Abu, and today we're interviewing Arden and Mason from 2S. And now onto the questions. What AFL team do you go for?
St. Hawks.
What is your favorite TV show or movie?
SpongeBob. Same.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
Pepperoni. Pepperoni.
What is your favorite celebrity?
Michael Jackson.
Yes.
Ronaldo? What is something you learned new at this school?
Capacitor.
Capacitor?
Minus. Just says
Subtraction?
subtraction.
Nice.
What is your favorite sport?
Football. Cricket.
What is your favorite food?
Ice cream. Burger.
What is your favorite event at school?
Pajama day. Are you okay day?
What is your favorite thing to do in the weekend?
Go swimming. Go Lego.
If you were stranded on an island, what is one thing you would take with you?
What family? My family.
Thank you, Mason Arden, for your time. Stay tuned for more Student Talk next week.
Bye.
All right, hi everyone. It's our last Getting Giggly with Mrs. Wrigley for this term. Are you ready? Today, I've got a knock-knock joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Lettuce.
Let us who?
Let us in, it's cold outside.
Come in. Breaking news! It's Mrs. Perkins here with some lovely Year 2 students. And today we thought we'd change it up a little bit, and we are showing some excellent work around the school, and we have some lovely students from 2G, Miss Goodridge's class, and they have been working on some maths together. You can see here they've been working on their partitioning, and they have some lovely neat work they're going to show you. So Rania, we see here that you've been working on partitioning numbers up to 20 in 2 parts. And what numbers have you split that are 1 digit and 2 digit into the 2 parts?
8 and 12, 10 and 14, 4 and 12.
4 and 12. And do you want to show everybody your lovely writing, neat writing? You've got some lovely colours there. And what was your name again?
Hadia.
Hadia. Hadia, can you show us your numbers that you've made?
My numbers are 7 and 13, 9 and 11, 2 and 18.
Excellent. Show everybody watching your lovely knit, and you've decided to do little dots there. Excellent. And lucky last we have Man Kerr. Me and Kurt, tell us your numbers you've split.
10 and 10, 7 and 13, 6 and 14.
Excellent, buddy. And show everybody. Beautiful. Well done to our year twos. I might look around for our next term at who we are going to film next for our breaking news. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope you have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud, and we'll see you next week. Bye.